They said it couldn't be done in a place forgotten by time. But what you're about to see will challenge everything you believe about human will. Using only the heart of the forest and their bare hands. A monumental dream is about to be carved into reality. Stay with us, because the transformation is truly astonishing. The journey begins not with machines, but with shared strength. Upon the raw earth, the first lines of a blueprint are drawn. Each piece of timber is a promise, heavy with purpose. Together, they raise the foundational bones of their future. The structure begins to breathe, guided by their unified vision. Precision is paramount, every mark a whisper of the final design. Slowly, the skeleton of their sanctuary reaches for the sky. Here, ancient joinery techniques reveal a mastery of the craft. Working against gravity, the highest point of the frame is secured. What was once a clearing in the forest is now taking shape. The first panels are laid, turning a frame into a shelter. As the main structure completes, a sense of accomplishment fills the air. A home, born from the wilderness, stands proud. A quiet moment of reflection on the immense task overcome. It exists in perfect harmony with the world around it. The final result, a testament to patience and enduring spirit. Now, the next chapter of their creation begins, the roof. Navigating the rising structure requires focus and courage. The weight of their ambition is carried on their shoulders. Each nail-driven home secures their shelter against the elements. From below, the complexity of the roof's design becomes clear. The home now wears the beginnings of its crown. The wood is smoothed and shaped, preparing it for its final purpose. Collaboration is key, as two hands become more powerful than one. They survey their work, overlooking a world they are reshaping. Modern tools are introduced, accelerating the pace of creation. A new element arrives, as a vibrant green roof is meticulously installed. Panel by panel, the structure becomes weathertight. A rhythm of teamwork makes the challenging task seem effortless. From within, the patterns of light and shadow shift and change. Every piece of the roof is custom cut to fit perfectly. High above the ground, the final screws are driven home. The shelter is nearly complete, a beacon against the vast landscape. On the ground, work on the interior walls begins. The air is filled with the scent of freshly cut wood. The process continues with the flooring, the foundation of their indoor world. Each plank is a step closer to a finished home. The first boards are laid, creating a solid surface underfoot. The wood is plain smooth, transforming it from raw material to a finished surface. Every member of the team contributes their unique skill. Testing the strength of their work, they walk upon the newly laid floor. The scent of sawdust is the perfume of progress. A symphony of creation, with each person playing their part. Under the new roof, the interior begins to take shape. Soon, this floor will hold memories, laughter, and life. The gaps between the boards are a temporary reminder of the work still to come. Each cut is precise, ensuring a seamless fit. The blade moves through wood like a pen, writing the next line of the story. The remnants of their hard work are cleared away, preparing for the next phase. Beneath the floor, the sturdy foundation is a hidden testament to their foresight. More materials are brought in, fueling the relentless pace of construction. In this partnership, every action is synchronized, every movement has purpose. She works with intense focus, her skill evident in every precise action. The final floorboards are cut and shaped. The rhythmic sound of the saw is the heartbeat of the project. With forceful precision, the last board is hammered into place. Now, the focus shifts from the floor beneath their feet to the walls that will surround them. With each nail, the house becomes more secure, more of a home. The air hums with the energy of creation and the clamor of tools. A moment of shared consultation, ensuring their visions remain aligned. They adjust and perfect, their hands moving with practiced confidence. She handles the tools with a powerful grace, a master of her craft. Her careful inspection guarantees the quality of their shared work. The brick foundation, once exposed, now supports a growing structure. Notches are carefully cut, preparing the posts for perfect joinery. The spinning blade shaves away the excess, revealing the intended shape. Intricate cuts are made at the base, ensuring a stable connection. The house now stands as a complete frame, awaiting its skin. Final adjustments are made to the posts, a task requiring immense precision. The masonry work begins, adding a new texture and strength to the base. Mortar is mixed, the binding agent that will hold it all together. The wood is planed again, this time for the exterior walls. The earth is leveled, a final preparation for the surrounding porch. With a skilled hand, mortar is applied, layer by steady layer. The foundation grows stronger with each brick that is laid. This work is foundational, both literally and for the life they are building. The masonry and woodwork come together, a marriage of earth and forest. The scale of their endeavor is vast, set against the wild beauty of nature. The roar of the chainsaw signals the shaping of larger, structural timbers. Every surface is smoothed and refined, revealing the beauty of the grain. In these close-up details, the soul of the craftsman is revealed. Measurements are taken, not just for accuracy, but for posterity. Inside, the raw skeleton of the house awaits its interior life. The air buzzes with the power of the saw, a tool that speeds their progress. A shower of sawdust marks the rapid transformation of wood. But some tasks still require the quiet precision of traditional hand tools. The steady rhythm of chisel and mallet is a sound as old as time. The structure is strengthened, one nail at a time. Each hammer blow is a mark of their enduring commitment. The work is laborious, but the results are taking shape before their eyes. Sometimes, the simplest tools are the most effective. The final pieces of the main frame are joined together. High above the ground, their teamwork is put to the test. The silhouette of the house is now complete against the sky. They move with a practiced, unspoken understanding. A structure born of collaboration, it stands as a symbol of their unity. The next phase begins, enclosing the space and creating the walls. Her careful work ensures every board is perfectly aligned. She works with meticulous care, adding the skin to the bones of the house. From a distance, the house settles into the landscape as if it always belonged. No corner is overlooked, no detail too small. He stands back, a silent observer of their shared creation. Inside, the raw materials for the walls are prepared. Working in unison, they lift the first wall panel into place. The house begins to feel like an enclosed, protected space. Their movements are a dance of construction, perfectly in sync. With modern tools, the walls go up with surprising speed. The satisfaction of seeing a wall complete is a powerful motivator. Each screw secures their dream a little more firmly. He works with an artisan's focus, lost in the task at hand. Now, an opening for light and air, the window frame is installed. This will be their view of the world, framed by their own hands. The final exterior panels are fastened into place. The focus moves inside, to the small details that will make this house a home. Outdoors, more wood is prepared, planed to a perfect smoothness. The ancient art of the chisel carves out a space for a perfect fit. Inside the nearly finished structure, they begin crafting the interior partitions. Lifting a heavy beam together, their combined strength makes the impossible possible. With quiet determination, she carves a joint with her chisel. It is a task of patience, where one wrong move could ruin the piece. With gentle persuasion from the mallet, the joint slides perfectly into place. It is her turn to drive the pieces home, securing the frame. The handsaw sings its song, shaping another piece of their puzzle. The finished wall, a testament to their precision and artistry. The drill whirs, preparing the way for screws that will hold for a lifetime. The floor is littered with the evidence of their tireless work. Each curl of wood is a small sacrifice for a greater creation. He works with the timeless tools of the woodworker. The wood shavings pile up, a soft carpet of their day's labor. Each task is performed with an unwavering focus. She takes on the arduous task of sanding, preparing for the final finish. Another wall section is lifted. The interior space is now clearly defined. He looks out, perhaps imagining the life they will live within these walls. A moment of shared success, their joy reflected in their smiles. He fastens the final pieces, his movements efficient and sure. The last, most important piece arrives, the front door. But first, an old door is given new life, its history carefully preserved. A hand rests on the new frame, a connection to the finished work. Through the new window, a breathtaking view promises a life of tranquility. The house stands complete, a jewel nestled in the green hills. Inside, they test the fit of the door, a gateway to their new world. They prepare the final hardware, the small details that matter most. Working together, they hang the panels that will form the interior walls. Chisel and mallet work in harmony, a duet of creation. With the power drill, they attach the door frame, a task of precision. The new door leans against the wall, ready to be hung. He meticulously installs the hinges, the vital connection for the door. Their creation stands finished, a testament to their vision and hard work. One final wall is completed, enclosing their dream. They carry in the centerpiece, a magnificent, intricately carved door. A home, not just built with hands, but with heart and soul. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Dang Th Imue for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.